Hey peeps, in this Craftmas episode, we'll be making a custom ornament using mirrored acrylic and wood. To create the design, we'll import a snowflake image into Lightburn. This design will basically be the frame for our mirrored acrylic. We're using the trace image tool to change our snowflake image into a format of something we can engrave. Now we're drawing a circle that we can use to shape our snowflake. Before we make an adjustment, we're going to duplicate our design for in case anything goes wrong. We're drawing another circle that we can use to cut a hole in the middle of our snowflake. Now we need to design a ring that will secure our mirrored acrylic at the back of the snowflake. This circle is the outline that we'll use to cut our mirrored acrylic so we can make a design to engrave for it. Something to note is that we will be flipping our mirrored acrylic design before we engrave it. If we don't, our design will be backwards because we're engraving the back of the acrylic. We don't show in this screen recording, but we are going to do it. Now that we have all of our ornaments components, we can attach settings from our library of settings we've saved previously. If you have to add glue to attach your mirrored acrylic to wood, make sure you don't add too much as it can spill out from the edges and leave a mark on your acrylic. Thank you so much for watching this Craftmas episode. I hope you enjoyed it.